Negligence, in law, the failure to meet a standard of behaviour established to protect society against unreasonable risk. Negligence is the cornerstone of tort liability, and a key factor in most personal injury and property damage trials. Ordinarily, the plaintiff in a negligence suit must prove the defendant's negligence by a preponderance of the evidence, which may be circumstantial so long as it is not too speculative. In some situations, once the plaintiff has established an apparent connection between his injury and the defendant's apparent negligence, the latter must disprove that connection. Generally, the damages recoverable for negligence are a monetary compensation for injuries or losses that are deemed to have flowed naturally and proximately from the negligent act.